We do that so we can keep the media away from the families. That's very important on launch day. At the right front corner, you'll see a white object on a red trailer. Well, that's a model of an abort rocket, like the one on top of the Orion. If there'd be a problem on the pad, folks, they'd fire that rocket. It would pull the Orion up out of harm's way, accelerating to 500 miles an hour in 3 seconds. To the left of that, the actual access arm and white room off of 39A. The astronauts will walk through that arm into the white room. That's where they have help with their helmets and gloves. And then they walk, and then they step on into the awaiting shuttle.